Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see crochet tutorial for this bunny mouth and teeth. We see crochet mouth and two teeth. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make one chain crochet stitch. Okay. Now in that one chain crochet stitch itself, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. In that one chain crochet stitch itself, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. After we are done with 5 double crochet stitches, at last we will make a chain crochet and turn a crochet work. Then we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Remember, 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Now again at last, just make a chain crochet and turn your work. Now we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. So our pink part is ready. Now we make 2 rows. Okay, in first row we will start with 2 chain crochet stitches and turn a crochet work. Okay, then we make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, only 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Till end we will do the same. Okay, and then we make a chain crochet stitch. We again make 2 chain crochet stitch and we turn our work. I will do till here and I will show you the next part. Here we are done with the first row. Okay, now we make 2 chain crochet stitches and we turn our work. Now see, these are 12 stitches. We will divide it into 3 parts, 4 4 4. So first 4 stitches we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Here we are done with our 4 stitches. Now we need to change our yarn. For changing our yarn, we have to keep 2 loops on the needle. We will pull our new yarn from both the loops and make a chain crochet stitch. Then again we are going to do same. 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch for 4 next stitches.
Hi, mommy.
Now here we are done with the 4 double crochet stitches. Now again we need to get back to a yarn, a red maroon yarn. So we'll keep 2 loops on the needle and pull up maroon yarn from the both of them and make a chain crochet stitch. And again we will continue the same, 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. And then done, we will just make a black border and our mouth is done. And make a slip stitch with the first chain crochet stitch. There we go. After that, make 2 chain crochet stitches and join the last stitch with the first double crochet stitch with a slip stitch. Then again make 2 chain crochet stitches. See, 2 or 3 it can vary depending on your thread. Okay, then join last stitch with the second row first double crochet stitch. Again make 2 chain crochet stitches and join it with the last stitch of third row. First stitch of third row. Then make a chain crochet stitch. And now we start making 1 slip stitch in each single stitch in the above row. Only at the corners we will make a extra chain crochet stitch and make slip stitch with the first stitch so we get proper points. And this is how crochet mouth and this is how a final piece looks like. Okay, as you have seen, complete crochet tutorial was with written notes and quite slow demonstration was given. Even if you want link for complete crochet tutorial of crochet bunny applique, I have already placed link in a description. You can go through that link. And if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. Plus I am coming up with new videos. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.